Hello dear friends, this is Fungai Murambiwa from Muranda Worship Ministries. Out in the foothills of the Western Mountains in USA, that the people in the village had heard about old Galton up in the hills. He lived alone and everyone knew better than not to go near him. But there was a lady there who began praying for him. Surely, she told her friends, there must be some way to reach old Galton and tell him about Jesus. But everyone warned her to stay away, for there was no telling what he might do. Then one warm spring morning, the lady was impressed that she might head up the mountain trail and visit the old man. Jesus had died for him too. Calling a 4-year-old Cindy to her side, she picked up a loaf of freshly baked bread, and the two started up the path toward the old mountaineer's cabin. As she drew near the cabin, she knelt with the little one and prayed that God would give her the words that would somehow reach his heart. It was well known that old Galton did not like anyone, that she was not certain what was ahead. Arriving there, she knocked somewhat timidly on the door and then stepped back away. What would happen next? Grumbling could be heard from inside, and then the door opened. A gruff, unshaven man stood there, prepared to call down curses on whoever disturbed him. But then he saw little Cindy, and the words died in his throat. The lady's words seemed to mean little to him, for all he could see before him was the tiny, flaxen-haired girl. Bending down, tears began running down old Tom's cheek as he said softly, "What is your name?" Uncertain what was coming next, the child's mother just said, "Cindy." By now, tears were flowing heavily, and old Galton said even more softly, "I once had a little girl like her, and her name was Sarah." But then, he added, "Why all sweet and innocent like this little one, she died suddenly." Big Galton wept great broken sobs. A way had been found to reach his heart. The mother prayed and then slowly began speaking. She told the old man about Jesus and about heaven, and how he might be able to see little girl again in heaven. The three of them spent the morning together, and the woman brought old Galton to Christ. The next week, old Galton came to church, and the little village rejoiced. He had determined to live a better life as a child of God, so someday he would see Sarah again. Thank you so much.